everyone, and welcome back to Urvalues. Hope you're well. Today it's a little bit of a video about conflicts and ideas and quotes I wrote about conflicts. Now, I just came back from Lebanon, and Lebanon is in my origins. In fact, I'm half Iraqi, half French, and I have a lot of Lebanese culture. And this culture, well, I just left Lebanon in the right time because the explosion started the war nearby, and it reminded me of a quote that I wrote about a tennis match. It's like a metaphor. It's two players playing a tennis game, and it's been days and days on, and they're just giving the ball back and giving the ball back. They haven't drank, they haven't eaten for days, and they're almost going to die. At some point, one of the players stops sending the ball back. Now, maybe he lost the game, but he saved both lives. Now, what this means is that maybe sometimes you should put your ego aside and stop wanting to have the last word. Stop wanting to keep your ego, and maybe, okay, you lose, you don't have the last word, but you save lives. This is the same in conflicts, I think we give people a territory, stay on your territory and just stop fighting for both parts. It's just killing more and more people, and there's so many other ways of communicating. If you find your life balance, which is the goal of your values, then you don't need to hate. Speaking is enough. So this is about just communicating peacefully by finding your life balance. If you have your life balance, you can communicate, I believe, without killing people and find compromises. There's always a solution for everything. Hope you have a beautiful day. If you have any questions or ideas to share with me, I would love to hear about that. In the meantime, I wish you a beautiful day and see you soon on Urvalues.